Alright guys, so here's the deal for this one. This is something I've wanted to do for a very long time, and the reason is because this is my very first drone that I ever owned. It's the reason I got into FPV and drone racing in general. And I've seen a few videos, maybe I think Rotor Ride has one, maybe a few others, where they turn their Phantom into, let's call it a high performance Phantom, which is essentially what I'm gonna do. Now this may take me a day, this may take me a few days, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna need some extra parts or not, but anyway, this should be a fun project and a fun video, and I'm gonna try to use as many stock components as possible, so I know for sure I'll be keeping the motors, obviously the frame. I'm gonna even try to use the stock battery. I will probably have to change the main board for this and DSC, which I think is all together in here, just so I can run what I want to run on it. But this should be fun and interesting, so well, let's get started with it. To go. So now I think I'm gonna find Park and see what she's got. Okay, ready to rock and roll. so that was pretty fun. I didn't expect it to really work that well, but I was actually pretty surprised at how it flew. What I ended up using, so the setup that I actually ended up going inside was the Flight 1 Bolt 4-in-1 ESC, the original, with the Rotor Riot flight controller, which has a soft-mounted gyro. So I was concerned about, because this is all plastic, I was concerned about maybe getting some vibrations or something that would make it fly pretty bad. So I ended up using that flight controller, which worked out fantastic. And everything else was stock motors, stock propellers. I couldn't use the stock battery because it had been sitting for like 2 years. So it's completely drained. It won't even charge. So I ended up using a 6L 1250 milliamp hour pack, which was more than enough. I actually got about 8 to 10 minutes of flight time flying, pretty hard. So that's impressive. This motors must be ridiculously efficient or something. And I had plenty of power. Pretty fun for a little acro action and some punch outs there. So fun project. Thanks guys for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed it.